Hello everybody, I just want to go over how to do ALEKS again. So a lot of you have not done a knowledge check. So when you log on to ALEKS, you're going to have to go through a tutorial, and after you go through a tutorial, it says initial knowledge check. You must start this. Then we're going to go through, you're going to click start. You have to answer. I'm skipping it for this demonstration. I'm just going to say I know. That's just because I'm doing a testing screen. So now, this is what your guys' screen is going to look like. It is going to say start my path, or it may say continue my path. Either way, you click here, okay? And then this is where you start your topics. This is completely separate from assignments. So this is where you start topics. And if you want to change your topics, you have options through here. You can search, okay? Or if it does not say that, if you're somewhere else on the screen, if you click this menu in the top left corner, it says learn. If you click learn, this will still take you so you can learn topics. If you do not know how many topics you have done, you can go to reports, and it says, okay, this week I've been on here for 2 minutes. I've learned 0 topics. I've attempted 0 topics. If you are Algebra 1A, you need 6 topics. If you are intensive, you need 12 topics in 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. If I assign you any work, including quizzes, so this is Algebra 1A, these are your current assignments, okay? If you do the distributive, well, depending on when you're watching this video, so never mind. So this stuff is already closed, so I missed the quiz, bummer. But I can go ahead and start these. If you still do not know how to do ALEKS, you need to contact me as soon as possible. This should have been completed week 1.